Yes, hello members. You are most welcome once again. As usual, Saddam Hussein, the mathematics teacher. Remember, on YouTube, you can search for Basic Mathematics Simplified. You will get every lesson, every video about all what we always do here. Once again, you are most welcome. Remember, I still want to emphasize that mathematics is a very cheap subject, and always we should be there for us to catch up with the learning. I told you mathematics is in our daily lives. Even whatever we do, whatever is at home, always make these children know that it is mathematics. Now, today we want to look at something very important, that is converting hours into minutes. The normal hours, by the way, that we always know, we want to see. If somebody asks you that there are 4 hours since you left home, then the other one inquires how many minutes are those, we should be able to answer that. And this one is specifically for primary 3 and 4. We need to be so close and follow up what we are supposed to do here. I think we are clear there. I want to appreciate all those who have subscribed from wherever you are, from Egypt, from Dubai, from Canada, from UK, from Tanzania, from Kenya, Uganda, everywhere. You are doing a very great job, and please continue subscribing, because there are not only lessons here, but there are many other things that are life-changing that we always get here. Now, we want to look at how we can convert these hours to minutes. For example, when we are given a question, we are given convert 4 hours to minutes. To convert means to change. Yes, someone else would say change 4 hours into minutes. Another one says convert 4 hours to minutes. This is a question which is very simple, but it's practically done. Remember, when children are learning mathematics, I've always told you that let us learn how to develop their creativity and to make learning always real for them. They should be able to follow. Now, when I only do this one example, you realize that you'll be able to do any other exercise as long as you follow these steps. The first thing that you should understand is what we learned last time, that 1 hour is the same as or is equals to 60 minutes. 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. Only 1 hour like this. Meaning that when you look at that clock face, when you look at a clock face like this, for the minute hand to move round up to this point, it would have made 1 hour. And those are 60 minutes. But now this time they're telling us to convert 4 hours. Remember, this is 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. Only 1 is 60 minutes. What about 4 hours? So what we are going to do here, to follow this correct, remember this is like direct proportion. When this side is increasing, the other one also increases. P7 and P6, you understand the word direct proportion. When one side increases, the other side also increases. So here, we have 1 hour equals 60 minutes. What about the 4 hours? Here, what is on our left-hand side is what you already know. But what we are looking for must be expressed in our right-hand side. So we are going to pick the downer one, which is 4 hours divided by 1 hour. Then you multiply by 60 minutes, because we are converting from hours to minutes. That is how best I want us to follow this. By the way, it is very cheap. The first thing that you should understand when you're converting from hours to minutes, the first thing is 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. Then, what you have been asked the question is what you bring next down here. Then after writing, like if it is 6 hours, 10 hours, it's all the same procedure. You express the number of hours that you are converting over the 1 hour multiplied by the number of minutes in 1 hour, such that this hour can cancel with that one. Remember, 4 hours divided by 1 hour, you get 4 hours because you get 4. 4 hours divided by 1 hour, you get 4. Without the word hour. That's how you can know that hours have been cancelled. Then multiply by 60 minutes. So what is 4 multiplied by 60? You will come somewhere here and you multiply 60 by 4. 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 6 is 24. So you come here and say 240. Don't forget the minutes. This is 240 minutes. Remember, in mathematics, units are very important. When you leave out units, it means you will have left out something very important. Remember, they told you to convert to minutes, and you're supposed to be very careful. I told you that only this one example is enough for you when you're converting from from hours to minutes. Now, 4 hours, express them into minutes. Remember that 1 hour has 60 minutes. Now, from that point in time, you now say 1 hour equals 60 minutes, then 4 hours equals to 4 hours divided by 1 hour times 60 minutes. Even if it is 50 hours, you still say 50 hours out of 1 hour times 60 minutes. Just the procedure remains the same. The procedure remains the same. Look at this work carefully, and then I will request that you answer this simple exercise. The exercise is very simple, and I believe all of you are going to pass it rightly. So when I say convert the following into hours. A, 6 hours. B, 4.5 hours. C, 15 hours. D, 7 hours. So that is how simple it is, and you will be able to answer this work. It's just very simple. I told you that this is something that you can keep doing time and again, and you convert. Next lesson, we are going to look at how to convert from minutes back to hours. I want to appreciate you all for the good heart you are showing me, for the good relationship you are showing me, and I want really to appreciate you. I don't know how to appreciate you much more, but really thank you very much for your time. Please, learners, continue learning. Please keep at home. COVID is real as time keeps moving on. Thank you very much. We meet again.